Now, today I'm going to be showing you how we can download and install Visual Studio Code. Now, you come to this side, and actually I've already downloaded it on my system, but let me just show you how to do it. So since that is the essence of this tutorial. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to search from Google search. In Google, as in you can search the VSCode download, and the first list, you should click on the first list. So when you click on the first list, let us wait for it to finish loading. Now, so it depending on your browser, depending on your operating system. So you can choose for Windows or for Ubuntu, for Linux or for Mac. So since I'm using Windows, so I'm having 32-bit. And don't forget, don't do the mistake. Don't download 64-bit on a 32-bit machine. Do you understand? So don't download 64-bit on and vice versa. So also, I recommend using this Easer installer for downloading. Now you click on the 32-bit or 64-bit depending on your operating system. When you click on it, you'll see the download will start under here. So let me just click it. So actually I'm not going to download because I have already downloaded it. So I'm going to cancel download start. So I can see, watch here, I can see, as you can see the download has started. So I'm going to cancel. So after downloading, you go to the place where the file is saved. So in my own case, I saved the file in my software folder. So it will look like this. So when you see something like this, so you double click on it. So I'm not going to install, I've already installed it on my system. So you're going to click on run, and it will start installing. So after you finish installing, the environment should look like similar to something like this. So actually yours might be slightly different, as I have opened. This might not be there since I've opened some file there. So but you see something like this. So seeing something like this indicates that you've already downloaded and installed the environment. So this is what you need to know about how to download and install Visual Studio Code. In our next class, I'm going to show you how to create file, how to open a new file, how to open a folder, and the likes. So before we go in depth into our web development course. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy watching this video, please kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the thumb up. Thank you.